Malla Reddy University is a private university located in Hyderabad, Telangana. It persistently seeks and adopts innovative methods to improve the quality of higher education on a consistent basis. Let's take you through the 360-degree tour of this beautiful campus. This is the campus classroom where students spend most of their time attending classes and sharing ideas. These classrooms are qualitative and add values to students' learning. We have now arrived at the ultimate learning center for every student, the campus library. The campus library consists of a large variety of books that help students in expanding their knowledge. The library has latest edition of books so that students stay updated with the current know-how of their domain. This is the computer lab at the campus. With modern technology and upgraded systems, it serves the right purpose for students to learn about the latest technology through practice. Here is a large auditorium that can accommodate more than 300 people at a time. It is ideal for conferences, cultural events, and workshops. It has top-notch audio-visual facilities for a memorable experience. Here comes the ultimate place for campus banter and lots of fun. This canteen offers snacks, North Indian and South Indian cuisine to satisfy the hunger pangs of students. Here you can see a large playground that is used for outdoor sports like cricket and football. Playing these team sports helps students to learn team management and leadership skills. The campus also provides hostel facilities to its students. There are separate hostels for girls and boys, which contain required furniture such as bed, study table and chair and almirah. Students do not have to worry about traveling to the city for excursions on weekends or the day-to-day commute, as the campus has excellent transport facilities. These buses are well maintained and available to all campus students. This brings us to the end of this 360-degree virtual campus tour of Malla Reddy University. The campus infrastructure is ready to offer a wholesome educational experience to students.